always sound so funny.
They got a panic like dismay. Don't fit like a tantrum, I'm clean, ayy. Here like the planet my sprout day. No, they can't stand me, but see, going nowhere. I ain't leaving.
Gracias.
Going nowhere. Let's make this clear, sprout day. Going nowhere. I ain't leaving, here to stay. Going nowhere. Let's make this clear, sprout day. Who the pretender? Came in with honesty, they got offended. Look how they dress and act, baby, they splendor. Nothing sweet on me but your honey feeling. Confident pimpin' can't rattle me, man. Born to be different from normal, that's same. Posting my link, but I'm not on the chain. On green like the link to and off of the chain. Wow.
You're doing so much better. This is your first time, so better me than anybody else. Yeah, you're taking a sacrifice.
Nobody care about the kids, not even their man, not at all. Nobody care about the kids, show not their path, let them fall. Nobody care about the kids, not even their man, not at all. Nobody care about the kids, show not their path, let them fall. You don't care, you don't care, you don't care. You don't care, you don't care, you don't care. You don't care, you don't care, you don't care. It's kinda lit, low key, yeah. You don't care, you don't care, you don't care. You don't care, you don't care, you don't care. You don't care, you don't care, you don't care. It's kinda lit, low key, yeah.
Your kids' mentality is kinda ruthless. Already knew what's right from wrong when they were toothless.
My baby done worked her poor little soul out. Chad, you tired, ain't you?
Yeah. We'll see if it's worth it.
We'll see. After 6 long ass hours of getting my nails done, they're done. She did great for her first time.
Oh, I'm sorry, baby, man. No, you was in the door, baby.
I just got hit by the door.
You standing behind the door, that's a bad.
I was trying to show the nails off that your daughter just did. Like, come on. And now,
Sorry, baby.
they can't be seen on camera.
How you can't see him on camera?
I don't know.
It's dark. It ain't. You got the TV on.
Well, they glow in the dark, but you can't see it in the camera. Anyway.
The Benadryl at night quit was just to get a nap. Music wake me, mind racing, wish my thoughts relax. Anxiety and slight depression, I got over quick. No prayer, meditation, no drugs, just mental cleanse. Energy low but positive, less I gotta give. Cause most are negative and logical with high pills. Get sober, so authentic when I write it down. Skip opinions, my dominion, I deserve a crown.